Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this really cute border on CapCut PC. So select your video or photo. Just going to select let's see, like this video or photo right here. I'm just going to then go to library. I'm going to add in a white stock video. You can use any color that you want, honestly. Select mask, select rectangle, and select reverse to create the frame first. Then you're just going to copy and paste it and really go crazy with these shapes. If you want to create like a cloud shape, just like create like little circles at the edge of the frame, like so. Oops, you copy and paste that again. And you'll have this really cute like this cloud shape at the edge right here. And if you want, you can also add a star, maybe in a different color or stuff like that. You can add in a heart shape and just, here you go. I'm just gonna add like a star shape like here. And I think it's super cute, honestly. Oops. And like another one here. I don't know, it's up to you. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!